Hello students, this is your maths for 6th class. In 6th class we have chapter exercise 2, knowing our numbers. Numbers is used to count something. And in second chapter we have expanded form, Indian and international system numeration, place value and face value, greater than, less than and equal to means comparison of numbers, and next point is ascending and descending order, and next point is successor and predecessor. In your exercise 2.1 we have first question, write each of the following in expanded form. In this question we have to write number in expanded form. In expanded form we write numbers as the sum of the values of digit. So we do our first question. This is 3887. So we write this number in expanded form. We have to do all digit for sum of all digits. So our first digit is 3. So we write 3 1 2 3. So we put 30 and then add, and our second digit is 8 and it is ones, tens and hundreds. So we have 8 hundreds and our third digit is 8. The last 7. In expanded form we write number like this. This is the sum of all digits. Similarly you have to do this second question, and our second question is insert commas in correct position. This is your number. We have to put commas in this number. First we put commas as Indian system. Firstly we write our number here. In Indian system we first have period of 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, and put comma here, and after 3 period we have 2 period. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. In our third period we have lakh and 10 lakh. So we put comma after second digit. Left number are crore and 10 crore. In international system number we have put 3 commas after 3 numbers. So we put comma here, and after 3 numbers we have put comma again. In international system here are ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000s, and this is million and 10 billion. We have Indian and international system to read and write our numbers. In third question write each of the following in numeral form. 8,906,007. In this question we have question in words, and it means ये वर्ड्स में है और इसका आंसर में हमें इनको नंबर्स में राइट करना है. To write in numbers we have firstly write 8 million. This is our first period, and our second period is 906,000, and our last third period is 7. This is in international system order. So we write 8 million. We write our first period 8 million, and then our second period 906,000, and last our third period is 7. So we write, and then we add all numbers, so we get, this is our numeral notion and this is our words. Our second question is 40,029. This is Indian system number 40,029. There are two periods, 40,000 and 29. So we first write 40,000 like this, and 29 there is ones and tens. 40,029. Our fourth question is write the place value of 6 in this digit. There are two questions. Our first question is 9,63,94,758. In this question, 6 number is here. So we write 6. In this question, after we have all digit, we count digits after 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put 60 after 6. There the position of place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 60 lakh is the place value of 6. And our second question is 24,78,651. In this question we have write firstly 6, and our second we count digit after 6, 1 and 2. In this question 2 digit after 6, so we put 20, and this is ones, tens and hundreds. So 6 hundreds is our place value. And fifth question, find the product of 5 of 35,62,450 and write place value of 5. Firstly we have find to product, means we multiply this 35,62,450 from 5. So we get, after multiply this we get this product 1,78,12,250. In this question you have to do find place value of 5 digit. We get this product, and in this 5 have the place value ones and tens. So place value of 5 is 5 tens.